Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find motivational content, personal growth tips, and empowering advice to help you become the best version of yourself. If you're ready to take charge of your life and level up, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Mindfulness, when practiced consistently, can create a profound shift in the way we respond to life's challenges. It helps us stay calm in the face of stress, reduces negative emotional reactions, and increases our ability to remain present and grounded in any situation. Over time, mindfulness can transform the way we experience the world, helping us cultivate a sense of peace, clarity, and resilience. By incorporating mindfulness into our daily lives, we not only train our minds to stay calm, but also enhance our overall well-being and emotional health. With regular practice, mindfulness becomes a powerful tool for navigating life with grace and composure. Breathing exercises are one of the most effective ways to train your mind to stay calm in any situation. The simple act of focusing on your breath can have profound effects on your physical and mental state. When we are stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, our breath becomes shallow and rapid, signaling to our body that we are in fight or flight mode. This increases our heart rate, heightens our sense of panic, and makes it harder to think clearly. However, by consciously slowing our breath, we can trigger the body's relaxation response and regain a sense of calm, even in the most challenging situation. One of the reasons breathing exercises are so powerful is that they are always accessible. No matter where you are or what is happening around you, you can always control your breath. It's a tool that is available to you at any moment, and it's incredibly effective in shifting your physical state. By simply slowing your breath and focusing on its rhythm, you can immediately calm your nervous system and reset your emotional state. This shift in focus takes you away from the chaos of external circumstances and brings you back to the present moment, allowing you to respond with clarity and composure. The most basic and effective breathing technique is deep belly breathing. This type of breathing involves inhaling deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand as you fill your lungs with air, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth, allowing the belly to contract. Deep belly breathing helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body and mind. When we breathe in this way, it sends a signal to our brain that we are safe, which in turn helps reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. As you practice deep belly breathing, you'll notice that your heart rate slows down, your muscles relax, and your mind becomes clear. With regular practice, deep belly breathing becomes a habit that you can use in any situation to regain your sense of calm. Another powerful breathing technique is the 4-7-8 breath. This technique involves inhaling for a count of 4, holding your breath for a count of 7, and then exhaling slowly for a count of 8. The 4-7-8 breath is designed to help regulate your breath and increase relaxation. By extending the exhalation longer than the inhalation, you stimulate the body's relaxation response, which can help reduce stress and bring about a sense of tranquility. This technique is particularly useful when you are feeling anxious or tense, as it helps regulate your breath and shift your focus away from stress-inducing thoughts. In addition to calming your nervous system, breathing exercises also help increase mindfulness. When we are stressed or overwhelmed, our minds are often racing, jumping from one thought to another. Breathing exercises help bring your focus back to the present moment by anchoring your attention to your breath. As you focus on the rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations, you create a mental space where you can observe your thoughts without getting swept up in them. This practice of observing your breath and your thoughts without judgment helps you detach from the emotional intensity of a situation and gain perspective. Instead of reacting impulsively, you learn to respond with intention, choosing the most thoughtful and constructive course of action. Breathing exercises also help increase emotional regulation. Often, when we are overwhelmed or stressed, our emotions can take over, leading to impulsive reactions and knee-jerk responses. This can be particularly true in high-pressure situations or when we feel threatened or criticized. By using breathing exercises, we create a pause between the stimulus, the stressor, and our response. This pause gives us the space to process our emotions before we react, allowing us to choose a more measured and thoughtful response. With practice, this ability to pause and regulate our emotions becomes second nature, helping us stay calm in situations that would have previously triggered an emotional emotional outburst. One of the reasons breathing exercises are so effective is that they help us connect with our bodies. When we are stressed, we tend to disconnect from our physical sensations, focusing only on our thoughts and emotions. We may feel a tightness in our chest, shallow breathing, or a racing heartbeat, but we often don't take the time to notice these physical cues. By practicing breathing exercises, we become more attuned to our bodies and learn to recognize when stress is building up. This awareness allows us to take action before our stress becomes overwhelming. The more we practice breathing techniques, the more in tune we become with the subtle signals our bodies send us, allowing us to address stress before it spirals out of control. Breathing exercises also help improve overall mental clarity and focus. When we are stressed, our minds are often clouded with racing thoughts, worries, and anxieties. This mental fog makes it difficult to think clearly or make rational decisions. By practicing breathing exercises, we increase the flow of oxygen to our brain, which helps improve cognitive function and focus. As we breathe deeply, we stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a key role in regulating the body's stress response. This stimulation helps reduce mental fog and promotes a state of clarity, allowing us to approach challenges with a calm and focused mindset. Incorporating breathing exercises into your daily routine can have profound long-term benefits. Regular practice of deep breathing techniques not only helps you stay calm in stressful situations, but also improves your overall emotional and physical health. By practicing deep breathing, you activate the relaxation response in your body, which reduces the impact of stress on your heart, lungs, and immune system. This helps lower blood pressure, reduce muscle tension, and promote a sense of overall well-being. Over time, regular breathing exercises can help you build resilience to stress, making it easier to handle life's challenges with composure and grace. Breathing exercises are not just a tool for moments of crisis. They can also be used as a daily practice to build a foundation of calm and relaxation in your life. Whether you're facing a stressful deadline, dealing with difficult people, or simply trying to manage the demands of everyday life, taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath can help you stay centered and composed. It's a simple yet powerful tool that, when practiced regularly, can become an integral part of your self-care routine, providing you with the mental and emotional resilience needed to face whatever challenges come your way. Shifting your perspective is one of the most powerful tools you can use to stay calm in any situation. Perspective has the ability to shape how we experience and react to events in our lives. A perception of a situation can either elevate our stress levels or help us maintain peace, and the difference lies in how we choose to interpret what's happening. In difficult moments, we often view challenges or obstacles through the lens of negativity, fear, or frustration, which can intensify our emotional reactions. However, when we learn to shift our perspective, we begin to see the world with more clarity and equanimity, which enables us to approach even the most challenging situations with a sense of calm and understanding. One of the most effective ways to shift your perspective is by reframing the situation. Reframing involves looking at a situation from a different angle, seeing it not as an obstacle, but as an opportunity or a lesson. When we're faced with adversity or discomfort, it's easy to get caught up in feelings of helplessness or resentment. For example, if we encounter a setback at work or in a relationship, we might think, this is unfair, or I'm not good enough. These thoughts only serve to reinforce our stress and feelings of defeat. Reframing that same situation can involve recognizing it as a challenge to grow, a chance to learn, or an opportunity to develop resilience. By choosing to see the situation through a more empowering lens, we immediately change the way we feel about it. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the difficulty, we feel motivated by the potential for growth. Reframing is not about denying the reality of a situation or minimizing the impact it may have on us. Rather, it's about finding a different interpretation of the event that helps us remain grounded and at peace. It's about consciously deciding to view challenges as temporary and manageable rather than insurmountable. This shift in perspective allows us to focus on what we can control rather than dwelling on what is beyond our control. When we stop seeing ourselves as victims of circumstance and start seeing ourselves as active participants in our own lives, we empower ourselves to handle adversity with resilience and grace. Another way to shift your perspective is by practicing gratitude. In moments of stress or anxiety, it's easy to focus on what is going wrong or what we don't have. We may find ourselves dwelling on the negative aspects of our lives which only fuels our feelings of frustration. However, when we consciously choose to focus on what we are grateful for, we start to shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. Gratitude helps us appreciate the good things in our lives, no matter how small they may seem. It helps us shift our attention from problems to solutions, from what's lacking to what's present. This shift in focus creates a sense of positivity and peace, even in the midst of challenging circumstances. Practicing gratitude is simple but incredibly effective. It doesn't require a special occasion or a perfect moment to begin. All it takes is a shift in mindset and the willingness to acknowledge the good things around us. This could be something as simple as appreciating the beauty of nature, being thankful for a supportive friend, or recognizing your own strength and resilience in tough times. When we take time each day to reflect on what we are grateful for, we cultivate an attitude of abundance and peace that helps us stay grounded and calm even when life feels overwhelming. Another key aspect of shifting your perspective is learning to detach from outcomes. Often we become stressed or upset when things don't go the way we expect or hope. We may have a specific vision in our minds of how things should unfold, and when reality doesn't meet our expectations, it can leave us feeling frustrated, disappointed, or anxious. However, by learning to detach from specific outcomes and embrace the flow of life, we reduce the pressure we place on ourselves and allow for more flexibility and calm. This doesn't mean giving up on goals or aspirations, but rather accepting that the path to those goals may not always be linear or predictable. When we detach from outcomes, we shift our focus from controlling every detail to embracing the uncertainty and unpredictability of life. This shift in perspective allows us to move through life with more ease, less attachment to specific results, and greater openness to what unfolds. Instead of stressing over every decision or worrying about potential mistakes, we learn to trust in the process and have faith that everything will unfold as it is meant to. This sense of trust helps reduce anxiety and brings a sense of peace, as we no longer feel the need to control everything around us. Another powerful tool for shifting your perspective is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness helps us step back from our automatic reactions and observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. It allows us to see the world as it is, without the lens of our biases, fears, or preconceptions. In moments of stress, mindfulness enables us to pause and assess the situation objectively. We can observe our thoughts and feelings without getting lost in them, which creates the space for a more balanced and composed response. Mindfulness teaches us to be present in the moment, rather than consumed by past regrets or future anxieties. This presence helps us remain calm in challenging situations because we are not overwhelmed by the weight of what has happened or what might happen. Instead, we are focused on what is happening right now, and we can approach the situation with a clear and open mind. Mindfulness also teaches us to detach from our thoughts and emotions. Often we get so caught up in our own mental and emotional patterns that we identify with them. If we are feeling anxious, we may think, "I am anxious," as if that feeling defines us. Mindfulness teaches us that we are not our thoughts or emotions. They are simply passing experiences that come and go. By recognizing this, we create distance between ourselves and the emotions we experience, allowing us to respond with more objectivity and less emotional reactivity. This shift in perspective gives us the power to choose our responses rather than simply reacting to the situation or our emotions. Finally, shifting your perspective involves embracing the idea of impermanence. Life is constantly changing, and no situation, whether positive or negative, lasts forever. By reminding ourselves that challenges are temporary and that emotions are fleeting, we can approach difficult moments with greater calm. Instead of seeing obstacles as permanent or insurmountable, we begin to understand that they are part of the natural ebb and flow of life. This understanding allows us to approach each situation with a sense of detachment and peace, knowing that it too will pass. This awareness of impermanence helps us stay grounded even when faced with adversity, because we know that nothing is permanent and everything is subject to change. One of the most powerful practices for maintaining calm in any situation is learning to accept what you cannot control. Life is filled with uncertainties, and often we find ourselves in situations where we feel powerless. We may be faced with circumstances beyond our control, whether it's the behavior of others, external events, or unforeseen obstacles that seem to derail our plans. The natural tendency is to want to control everything, to plan every detail, and to ensure that everything goes according to our expectations. However, the more we try to control the uncontrollable, the more we increase our stress and frustration. Learning to accept what we cannot control is an essential step toward cultivating inner peace and emotional resilience. At its core, acceptance is about acknowledging the reality of a situation without resistance. It means recognizing that there are factors outside of our control, and instead of fighting against them, we choose to adjust our mindset and response. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up or resigning ourselves to a situation. Rather, it's about choosing to move forward with a sense of understanding and peace, knowing that we cannot change certain aspects of life, but we can control how we respond to them. This mindset allows us to release unnecessary tension and embrace a sense of calm, regardless of external circumstances. The first step in learning to accept what we cannot control is recognizing the difference between what is within our power and what is not. There are many things in life that we cannot change, no matter how much we wish we could. We cannot change the past, the actions of others, or unforeseen events that occur. However, we can control how we respond to these situations. When we focus our energy on the things that are within our control, such as our thoughts, attitudes, and reactions, we regain our sense of agency and empowerment. This shift in focus helps us stop wasting energy on the uncontrollable and directs our efforts toward the things that matter most, our own well-being and peace of mind. For example, imagine that you are facing a difficult situation at work, such as a challenging project or a difficult colleague. You may find yourself frustrated by the circumstances, wishing that things were different or that others would behave in a certain way. However, when you shift your focus from trying to control the situation to accepting it as it is, you free yourself from the frustration of trying to change something that is beyond your control. Instead of stressing over what you can't change, you focus on how you can adapt and respond in a way that aligns with your values and goals. This shift in perspective allows you to move forward with greater clarity and calm, knowing that you are doing your best within the constraints of the situation. Acceptance is also about letting go of the need for perfection. Many of us hold ourselves to impossibly high standards, striving for perfection in every aspect of our lives. We may feel that if we can just get everything right, we will feel more in control and at peace. However, perfection is an illusion, and the pursuit of it often leads to stress, anxiety, and self-criticism. By accepting that imperfection is a natural part of life, we can release the pressure we place on ourselves and allow ourselves to be human. This doesn't mean we stop striving for excellence, but we learn to let go of the unrealistic expectation that everything must be flawless. Embracing imperfection helps us stay calm in the face of mistakes and setbacks, knowing that they are part of the journey and that we can learn and grow from them. In addition to accepting the uncontrollable, learning to accept our own emotions is an essential part of staying calm. Often we resist uncomfortable emotions such as anger, sadness, or fear because we view them as negative or undesirable. We may try to push them away or deny their existence, believing that we should only feel happy or positive emotions. However, this resistance only intensifies the emotion and prolongs our suffering. Instead of fighting against our emotions, acceptance encourages us to allow them to exist without judgment. When we accept our emotions, we give ourselves permission to feel them fully, without shame or guilt. This practice of emotional acceptance allows us to process our feelings in a healthy way, rather than bottling them up or letting them control our action. For instance, if you are feeling anxious about an upcoming event, instead of trying to suppress your anxiety or deny its presence, you can acknowledge it. You can say to yourself, I am feeling anxious, and that's okay. By accepting the anxiety, you create space for it to dissipate naturally, rather than letting it build and overwhelm you. When you accept your emotions without judgment, you release the power they hold over you, allowing you to stay calm and focused in any situation. Acceptance doesn't mean that you give in to every emotion you feel, but it means that you recognize them as part of the human experience and choose to respond in a way that promotes peace and understanding. Learning to accept what we cannot control also helps us develop greater resilience in the face of adversity. Life will inevitably present challenges, some small, some large, that are outside of our control. However, our ability to navigate these challenges with grace and composure depends on how well we accept them. By accepting that difficulties are a natural part of life, we build the mental and emotional strength to face them without becoming overwhelmed. This resilience comes from knowing that we can weather any storm even when things don't go according to plan. Instead of being paralyzed by fear or frustration, we become better equipped to handle adversity with a sense of calm and determination. Acceptance also allows us to cultivate a sense of peace in our daily lives. When we spend less time worrying about things that are beyond our control, we free up mental and emotional energy to focus on what truly matters. We can direct our attention to the present moment, appreciating the small joys of life and making decisions that align with our values and goals. Acceptance helps us let go of the need to constantly fight or resist the flow of life, and instead we learn to flow with it. This shift creates a sense of ease and tranquility that permeates our daily experiences, allowing us to stay calm in even the most chaotic circumstances. Finally, acceptance encourages us to practice self-compassion. Often we are our own harshest critics, especially when things don't go as planned. We may blame ourselves for mistakes or failures, believing that we should have done better. Acceptance reminds us to be kind to ourselves, to recognize that we are human and that it's okay to fall short sometimes. By embracing our imperfections and accepting ourselves as we are, we create an environment of love and support within ourselves. This self-compassion helps us stay calm and centered even in the face of challenges, because we understand that we are doing our best and that we are worthy of grace and understanding. In life, the ability to remain calm in any situation is a skill that can transform not only how we experience challenges, but also how we navigate our everyday lives. It's not about avoiding stress or hardship. It's about learning how to respond to them with grace, composure, and resilience. By training our minds to stay calm, we empower ourselves to face whatever comes our way without being overwhelmed by external circumstances or internal chaos. The tools and practices we've explored, breathing exercises, reframing our perspective, practicing gratitude, embracing acceptance, are not just techniques. They are life-changing habits that, when cultivated, build emotional strength and inner peace. With each step we take toward mastering these practices, we take a step closer to a life where we are no longer reactive to the world around us, but instead we respond with clarity, intention, and calm. Remember, calmness isn't a destination, it's a continuous practice, and with time and dedication, we all have the power to cultivate a mind that stays calm no matter the storm.